What is going on, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this item that's sitting here. Pretty positive it is the Auxito light bulbs. Auxito sent them to me for me to do videos on for brake lights, turn signals, and reverse lights for 1996 to 2002 4Runner. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so I'm pretty sure that these were sent to me, and I'm pretty sure that they're the lights that Auxito asked me what I would like to test. They contacted me and wanted to know if I would do some videos on some of their products. And I told them sure. They asked me what vehicles I have that I'm willing to do videos on. And I told them my 4Runners. And I'm going to be doing videos on these. Comparing them versus halogens versus these Auxito LEDs. And then also versus Sylvania Zevo. So I'm going to be doing some comparisons where, you know, these Auxito LED bulbs versus the Sylvania Zevo brand that you can get at AutoZone, as well as we're going to be comparing these Auxito bulbs to halogens, and then we'll probably do a comparison of the Zevo versus halogen. So it'll be a lot of information in those videos. It says global supplier of automotive LED lights. These are 7443-7440 bulbs. These are white, not amber. Got several of them here. I asked for 4 packages. They said no big deal, we'll send you 4 packages. So there is 4 of them here. These are 7443-102H black W2. It was very nice of them to contact me to see if I want to do some videos on them. I've been pretty happy with the headlights. You guys will probably have seen that video already. I did an in-depth video on the LED headlights for the reflector, OEM Toyota reflector housings. I give you a thank you card, and then here's the 2 bulbs. It is nice that the bulbs are sealed. They do have a projector housing at the end, the glass housing. There you go. These are pretty long bulbs. I think they're like 2 inches. Bulbs are from the top of the bulb to the back of the bulb right before the connector starts. They are 1 5/8 long. If you go from the top of the domed reflector or the projector lens all the way to the back, they are 2 3/8 long. They're pretty long bulbs. A standard bulb isn't that long. I don't have any. I do have some bulbs. I'd have to grab a box. Let me see. I have a bunch of halogen bulbs in here. So let me move these guys over to the side. I just put a bunch of older bulbs in. Every time I take bulbs out of a vehicle, I tend to put them in little baggies, wrapped up. 194, 921, H3. I'm not sure if I have any of those in here. H7. So these are the headlight bulbs for. These would be headlight bulbs for Ford. I think H7 or Ford. Oh yeah, these are mislabeled. These are H4s, not H7s. Ford. Yeah, this is the wrong bag. Of course it's the wrong bag. Well, it looks like these are correct, though. So this bulb right here is a standard. This is a standard brake bulb, turn signal bulb, reverse bulb, and yeah, reverse, brake, turn signal. So these are the exact same connector. They are definitely longer. So this bulb is from the top of the bulb to the bottom of the bulb is 1 1/8 of an inch. From the top of the bulb to the bottom section of the bulb, where the connection starts, is 1 1/8 of an inch. From the top of the bulb to the end of the plug end is 1 5/8. Where these, from the top of the bulb to the start of the plug, you know, let me open one of these just to make it easier. These are nice looking bulbs. Very nice looking bulbs. So, top of the projector lens to the bottom where the housing ends to the start of the top of the plug is 1 3/4. No, 1 7/8. Or this guy right here is 1 1/8 from the top of the bulb to where the bulb base starts. So 1 1/8 compared to 1 7/8. So it's definitely a large difference, almost a full inch difference. And then the whole length from the top of the bulb on a halogen to the bottom of the connector is 1 5/8 compared to 2 3/8. So 1 5/8 to 2 3/8. So they're definitely significantly larger. And I do have Zevo bulbs, LEDs, in one of the 4Runners right now. So we're going to compare this bulb to this bulb, LED bulb, halogen versus the Auxito bulb. And then we'll also be doing a comparison halogen versus the Sylvania Zevos I keep buying at AutoZone. And then we will do a comparison between the Sylvania Zevo LED bulb versus this Auxito LED bulb, and see how much brighter these are, or if they are not brighter. Who knows? They may not be brighter than the Zevos. I have no idea. But just going to be a quick informative video. I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video, and hanging out with us today. I'm going to wipe this bulb off after the video, put it back in the bag so that way we can use it for testing. But that is all I got for you guys. It's just 4 boxes of this exact same set of bulbs right here. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. I hope that you guys will see this video of the testing video way before this, because I want to get it out sooner than later. More than likely, I'm just going to schedule this video for like mid next year. You guys will see this demonstration video way before. Today is December 1st, Wednesday, 2021. I got these, was like the day, Thanksgiving is the day I got them. So November 25th, 2021 is when I got them. They've been sitting here on the bench several days waiting for me to do a video and stuff on them. Do appreciate you guys watching. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. This is a standard 921 bulb. Pretty sure. It's a 21 watt, 12 volt, 21 watt, 7440. I'm not sure why I labeled the package as 921 or 194. Oh, probably because I just threw these in there. So that package I have is 921 bulbs and 194 bulbs, which are all 4Runner bulbs. And this is just a 7440, which 7440 and 7443 are all the same. They allow flashing. You can use them for brake bulbs. You can use them for you can use them for just running bulbs, day running bulbs, you know, brake light runners. You can use them for blinkers. You can use them for whatever you want. But that is all I got for you guys today. You guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. You guys stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!